Alright, today we are bringing you an 1856 dime. A little bit rough on this side here, but you can see it's an 1856. And the other side's a lot better. Let's focus in here to let you know that it's a dime. Alright, and then we have a couple of nickels to show you. Here's a 1907 nickel. Look at that. Beautiful with the stars and everything. 1907. Alright, let me show you what the back side of that one looks like. It's in really good condition. Look at that. It's a 5 cents. And then we have a 1910 5 cents coin. This one here, at least you can see the detail of the ears, huh? Pretty cool. And of course the back side of this one. There you go. Very nice. Alright. Well, I hope you've enjoyed my bringing you this dime and 2 nickels. Some of the collection of old coins. Pass the video around to other coin collectors. And stay tuned for more, because we have a lot more coins to bring you. Alright. Bye-bye now.